All right, what is going on, YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great Sunday today. Going to give you guys another update on the Mk7.5 GTI. So let's go ahead and do a little walk around on the car. All right, guys, so this is something that had to be done to the car at some point to keep out some of the heat, summer heat. Got the Formula One window tint on the car. Got it done at LA Tint in a Sterling area. So they did an amazing job, guys. My door panels were in mint condition, nothing scratched up, no bubbles, no creases, nothing like that. So this is a little dark. I wasn't sure if I was gonna go with like 35, but this right here is the 15 all around, and it does look pretty good. You can still see inside. It's just harder to see on the camera, but it does look pretty good. You guys will walk around, especially the rear. I think the rear window, regardless, should always be darker. Just gives the back end a nice look. I think it goes really well with the black accents that the car has. And yeah, just a subtle little upgrade right there. I'm also thinking about taking it back over to them to get the roof, the back section, wrapped gloss black, and then just gonna leave the little rear wing white and do the little spoiler extension from Aerofab. So that's my plan here as far as looks. I will be lowering the car, don't worry. I know that's what the car needs, but that is coming soon. So thank you guys for watching. Just give you guys a little update on the car here, because I'm gonna be tracking the whole progress of this thing. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next video.